Hi, today I will make a quick flip through of the second book by David Habben, and the book is Explorer's Journey, a coloring book to the end of the earth and beyond. If you haven't seen the review of his first book, The Search of the Light Bulb Bugler, I will leave you a link in the info box below. The book is the same highest quality, printed by the Page Street Publishing. It has 50 one-sided pictures printed on the very high quality art paper, very similar to watercolor paper. In this book, the artist tells us the story of two journeys, two explorers, but in the end they will happily meet. So the size of the book is the same, 22 by 24 centimeters. Book is very heavy and thick. It has a cover of the textured cardstock and a very nice first spread. So we have the first page, and I'm really in love with the quality and thickness of the paper. Again, we have the introduction to the story, and the artist tells us that we can start to color this book whether from the first page with the first explorer or from the behind, from the last page, to start journey with the second explorer, and they will meet in the middle of the book. The first explorer travels along the mountainside, and all the pictures in this book mostly are nature and landscape painting. Again, we have the perforation along the binding, and we are able to lay the book completely flat on the table. A lot of beautiful landscapes. Then our explorer will meet some interesting creatures, both real and fantastic. And this is one of my favorite pictures, and I'm really in love with the style of how David Habben paints the dragon, and I would recommend him to make a third coloring book with some dragons and other creatures because they are just adorable. And here is the meeting of two explorers. Let me put the bookmark here, and let's make a second travel with the second explorer. Our second explorer is a girl, and her path was mostly under the water, on the water. She also encountered interesting animals. And of course you can create your own story about the perils of her travels, about whether those animals helped her or not. And this is my second favorite picture, and I think that you will agree with me that David Habben creatures are very cute and very adorable. So this is the meeting of our two explorers, and I think that they will start the next journey together. On the last page we have information about the artist, that he lives in Salt Lake City and that he is a professional illustrator, and I really hope that we will see in the future the third coloring book and a lot more of coloring books by David Habben, because I really like the artist style, and of course I am in love with the quality of the Page Street publishers. This book is a right choice if you like to color nature and if you want to try different art supplies and mixed media. Thanks for watching, enjoy your coloring processes, and until the next book reviews and coloring tutorials, happy coloring to all of you. Bye bye!